Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, working with third-party Node.js extensions. In this video, several application development professionals will discuss which third-party Node.js extensions they commonly use and how these extensions could often benefit application developers.
One of the NPM, Node.js packages that I've used the most is the serverless framework, because that allows you to deploy serverless microservices in the cloud very easily without writing a lot of the resource and infrastructure as code yourself.
So there's a number of Node.js extensions I use all the time. For instance, I use Lodash, which is a great package for dealing with collections and arrays, finding the right elements, sorting, so on and so forth. It saves a lot of time. Axios is also very useful for dealing with RESTful APIs, submitting gets, posts, so on and so forth. Also, in my Express applications, there's a ton of middlewares, especially middlewares dealing with authentication and JWT tokens. Those are all extremely useful and really help accelerate any cloud developer creating services and other tools in the cloud.
When working with Node.js, I'll give you two of my favorite packages that I use on a daily basis. So first is making requests to web services. So my application, more likely than not, has to request information from another web service. Now, this could be a web service that I've written, or this could be a web service that somebody else has written. Regardless, I need to send a request out with some input parameters and then wait for the request to come back, or wait for the response to come back and handle that response. Instead of writing all of this code myself, I use a library like Axios that helps me create these requests with the right headers and also provide me with callback functions or promises to be able to handle the responses that come back. My second package would be when I'm working with databases. I'll use NPM packages more likely than not to talk to an external database, regardless of if it's a relational database or a NoSQL database.